Basically, we decided to participate because of the immune suppression in the poultry industry as such. Nobody is getting their desired profits and the outcome which they should get. And if bird is under constantly immune suppression, they cannot give productivity. That is why our theme is protection, performance and profitability, and because of that only you can get result. And we don't allow bird at any stage to get under stressed, so that there should be any outbreak of any kind of bacteria, virus or whatever is there. And basically we don't get them immunized to the extent that vaccines titers to be maintained throughout the life, so that there should not be any outbreak at any stage of the life. Then their productivity will be on much higher side. Like in breeders, they get optimum healthy chicks, layers, they get best of the eggs, broilers, they get healthy birds throughout the life. So that is why we have decided to participate to educate farmers. If they are getting constantly, they are not giving immunosuppression, what they are going to get harmful will be there. And if they are doing constantly bird is under surveillance of immunomodulator, then they will be giving optimum productivity. In view of that only we decided to participate to educate, because nowadays so much of viral and bacterial diseases are giving constantly problem to poultry farmers. Because of that they are always afraid of any disease can come anytime. But we do assure and ensure that once you are following our instructions, no disease at any age can come. And in 2 to 3 years time, there won't be any sort of disease left in their farm.